Welcome to the fourth dimension. It's Ken Jackson here. Today we have this 2017 Toyota Camry SE. And I'm gonna show y'all how to change the engine air filter real quick. Pretty much the engine air filter is right here. You got one tab right here and another one right here. After that, just lift that up. Pull your filter out. This is the old one. It looks okay. It's not too bad. This the new one. We putting K&N. We bought a K&N Performance engine air filter. This is your part number 332370. Get this on Amazon. It is Amazon Prime eligible, so you get it by 1 or 2 days. All the K&Ns come pre-oiled, slight oil, not a lot. That smells brand new, smelling real good right there, boy. The good thing about K&N is that it is rewashable, reusable. You can just wash it, put it back in there. 1,000,000-mile warranty, 10-year warranty, 1,000,000-mile warranty. It's designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. You might notice it, and it's going to give you a better sound. But the main thing is to help the engine breathe a lot better and to save you money, because you won't have to keep buying air filters over and over. I'm going to slide this in there, close it in, and we're gonna see how much louder the engine is, how much better it runs. So you have these curves going around the filter box, and the K&N filter is curved as well. So you're gonna flip it. The side that's sticking up is gonna go down inside the filter box. The curves are gonna go on the right side, and it's kind of square. The K&N filter and the box filter is kind of square in the back, the top left. So that's how you're gonna be able to tell that it's in there in the right way. After that, put it back down. I can't do this with one hand. And that's it. That's how you do it. Engine air filter right in there. Make sure these little legs are put on the tabs. Close your tabs back and you're done. That's probably like the easiest one to do. We're gonna change the cabin air filter. You only got one tier storage in here. It's a small little box.
You're asking me?
I was. But anyway, the cabin air filter is right back here. I'm gonna pull this little tab off. Got 2 more tabs to press. That's on the actual air filter, and then you're gonna pull it towards you. Such a tight spot. My hand's too big.
Can you? Wonder why it's there. Well, I guess I don't know.
Let that.
Holy shit. That's dirty. I'm breathing that in. Whoa.
This is the old cabin air filter. It looks okay. It looked better than mine did. Smell like Air Force stuff.
Oh shit.
You got another K&N cabin air filter. You can wash this one as well, just like the engine air filter. Here's your part number, the VF2000. Same size as the OEM filter. You know what that smell like? That smell like gains, boy.
Games?
Yeah. Performance gains. That's what it smells like. K&N slides right in there. Put your little tab back on. Put the fat one back on. And that is it. Did say we was gonna drive it real quick.